Hey girl, I know it's been a while, but welcome back to my channel. If you would like to see all the details on how I got this super sleek pony, then keep on watching. Okay, so I'm starting off with freshly washed and blow dried hair. I know I need a trim, so just ignore that part for now. I'm going to go ahead and separate my hair into sections and just comb through them a little bit. And then I'm going to get ready to flat iron my hair, not like a full-on silk press, just a quick pass through so it can be smoother than it is now. Here is the heat protector I am using. I'm also going to go in with this Silken and Mist because that helps to smooth my hair down also. And okay, so the pump on my Silken and Mist, it like broke. So that's why I'm pouring it into this other spray bottle. I had to make it do what it do. And it smells so good. I just love the way it smells. Anyway, I'm going to go in with these two products in small sections all over my head, and we're going to flat iron. Yes, I know the sections are kind of chunky. Like I said, I wasn't going for a real silk press, okay? Just something to smooth it down a little bit. Once I was finished flat ironing my hair, then I kind of just put it up in a loose ponytail to get an idea of where I wanted my ponytail to sit. And then I went ahead and pulled out my edges so that I could have some baby hair. I'm not going to smooth them out right now. I'm going to do that later, but I just wanted to make sure they were separated so that they weren't a part of my mold down. So once that was done and I had an idea of where I wanted to place my pony, I just went in with some good old school hair grease so that my hair wasn't super dry. And I placed that on my hair, just, kind of rubbed it in real good. After I did that, I used the Mary's Beeswax. I know some girlies do not like to use wax on their ponytails. They like to only use like a holding spray. For me, I don't only like to use the holding spray. I just feels like it's like super, super hard, and I don't know. I just love to go in with the wax first. So that is like a personal thing. I do heat my wax up a little bit in the microwave first just to get it a little more soft, ready for the mold. And then I go in with that brush and we just gonna brush it and brush it and brush it until it is so straight, so sleek, and just how we want it. I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah. Now it is time for the hard part, to actually put the rubber band on exactly where I want my ponytail to sit, and I want to make sure it's tight enough and my arms are so tired from everything I've been doing already. So I actually just kind of do two ponytails and then I combine them. I just do like a half up, half down kind of thing. You can see right now I'm focusing on that top ponytail, and I'm going to put a rubber band on that, and then I'm going to go in and brush the bottom half of my hair up and into the ponytail and combine the two. And that just makes it a little easier on me because I don't have to put all of my hair into one, and it just makes it easier for me to have it exactly positioned where I want it to be. Next, I'm going to go in with this Eben Wonder Lace Bond Spray, and I'm going to take it section by section in the front of my hair, spray, and then I'm going to comb through it with my rat tail comb so it's nice and sleek. And then I'm going to take my blow dryer and let it dry. I'm going to repeat this process in small sections all over the front of my hair, and that is going to result in a very sleek ponytail that stays. So I don't have to worry about any flyaways or it frizzing up. Anything like that. It's just going to be laid down kind of hard, and it's going to last. It's going to give us the look that we want. Once I'm finished with that process, my hair is nice and laid down and sleek and molded just how I want it. I'm going to braid my ponytail and clip it up so that I can do the same process to the back of my hair. And I saw a tip that said you don't want to bend your head down while you're doing the back of your hair because then you can have like a bump in your ponytail. You want to just keep your head straight and mold the back that way. So I'm trying to be very careful not to bend my head so that I can have a nice smooth back of my ponytail also. So I picked up this ponytail from my local beauty supply store. It is called the LuLu pony in the style JuJu. That is what the model looks like, the stock card. I got mine in the color 1B. Once again, it is by the LuLu pony. And here is a picture of the curl pattern on the back. It says that it is heat safe between 350 and 400 degrees. I don't plan on using heat on mine, but you know, do what you want to do. And I was looking for the other colors that she comes in, but I don't see it on the box. So yeah, I'm about to go ahead and open this one up, pop her on, and then we're going to lay down my edges and talk about it.
wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then.
So ladies, this is the final look. Let me know how we're feeling it. Lately, I have really been loving a sleek ponytail. So I think what I'm gonna do on this channel is review a couple of them. I'm gonna switch it up, try some different styles, some curlies, maybe some straight, a little more curly, like the sleek kind of curls like this. That's really my vibe. But of course I can do like a big curly fluffy one. You let me know any suggestions you have down in the comment section and I will check all of them out. And you know I love to talk back to you guys in the comments, so if you have any suggestions on things you do differently, maybe how you do your ponytails, products you use or don't, let me know in the comments below. Let's talk about it. Once again, this is the ponytail I use, the LuLu pony in JuJu in the color 1B. She does come in some other colors there on the back, as you can see. And I just love this one, the light Yankee texture, the curls, the length, it is perfect. So I will have this pony linked down in the description box in case you want to check it out. And I will see all of you later.
Oh, you make me